Bro, let me ask you something. When she left, did it feel like your chest collapsed, like your future disappeared overnight, like someone deleted the version of you that felt alive? Yeah, I know. And here is the truth nobody tells you. When a woman leaves, it's not just heartbreak, it's identity shock. What actually broke? You think she broke your heart, but what really broke was the future you imagined, the comfort you got used to, the validation you quietly depended on, the routine that made you feel stable. You did not just lose a person, you lost the you that existed with her. That's why it hurts like death, because neurologically it's kind of is. Romantic rejection activates the same pain centers in your brain as physical injury. Your dopamine drops, your cortisol spikes, your nervous system panics. You are not weak. You are wired. Why she really left? Now let's get uncomfortable. Women usually live for a reason. Maybe she lost attraction. She lost emotional safety. You stopped growing. She outgrew the dynamic. You ignored red flags, or she was never fully invested. Sometimes it's her chaos. Sometimes it's your complacency. Sometimes it's simple misalignment. But here is the mature frame. Rejection is redirection, not motivational fluff. Evolutionary fact. If someone walks away, they are not aligned with your next level. Ego versus evolution. Your ego wants revenge. It whispers, I will show her. She will regret this. I will glow up so hard she cries. That fire. It's powerful. But if you improve only to prove something. She still controls you. Real power is this. You evolve because that is your standard, not because she left. That's AME.X. Pain, analysis, mastery, expansion. The heartbreak upgrade protocol. Now listen carefully. This is where most men fail. Silence. No begging. No emotional paragraphs. No stalking her stories. No closer conversations. Silence restores dignity, and dignity restores power. Brutal self audit. Ask yourself, did I lose my edge? Did I stop leading? Did I get too comfortable? Did I tolerate disrespect? Did I ignore intuition? No shame, just data. Emotion without analysis is suffering. Emotion with analysis is growth. Systematic upgrade, not chaos. System. Fix your body. Fix your discipline. Increase income. Sharpen your mind. Rebuild your social environment. Deepen your purpose. Not to win her back, to win yourself back. The hidden gift. Here is something wild. Some women live because they sense you shrinking. Others leave because they sense you expanding. Either way, it's feedback, and feedback is fuel. Heartbreak exposes where you are dependent. Heartbreak exposes where you are dependent, and dependence is the enemy of strength. Grieve like a man. Now listen closely. Do not suppress it. Feel it. Cry if you need to. Journal it. Lift through it. Pray through it. Walk through it. Strength is not emotional numbness. Strength is emotional regulation. You don't avoid pain. You metabolize it. The final frame. A woman living does not reduce your value. It reveals your current level, and levels can be upgraded. She did not destroy you. She exposed where you must evolve. One day you will look back and realize that breakup was the moment your real life started. If she left, good. Now build a version of you that never abandons himself again. This is not heartbreak, this is initiation. Welcome to the upgrade.
She left you? Good. The heartbreak upgrade
Good.
protocol. This
Time
is your
to level
evolution,
up your life,
upgrade.
man. Understood? Hit the gym and stack that cash high. New opportunities are passing by. The heartbreak upgrade protocol. The heartbreak
She left you?
upgrade
Good.
protocol.
Are Be More Freights and Amazing? That's all the juice you got? Come on, bro, hit me hard.
She left you? Good. Heartbreak.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.